Hey, Kyle here from Animysticology. In this video, I want to talk about sensory experience training and how to train your sense of smell, so your olfactory sense. So scientists have researched our different senses and how we interpret the world around us, and they think that we can interpret basically millions of different colors, so different shades of the primary color spectrum. We can hear up to 500,000 different tones, but they estimate we can smell up to 1 trillion different scents, different variations of scents. So our smell is incredibly important in our evolutionary biology for our survival. So we can actually smell a lot of the chemicals that are poisonous to us, and smell has been a huge part of our survival. And even today, when someone experiences a traumatic event and has post-traumatic stress syndrome, often when they have flashbacks, the sense of smell comes up, what they smelt during that experience. So smell really imprints experiences in our long-term memory, in our unconscious. So smell is really, really powerful. So I want to talk about how you can develop your smell. So there's two really good places to develop it. The first is in a forest, particularly after the rain. So when after the rain, you have this rich, loamy smell. It's often easier to smell the wood and trees and decaying logs, and certainly the soil has this smell that just wafts up after the rain. So going out in the forest after the rain is a good way to train your sense of smell. Another place is in a botanical garden, where you can smell different flowers and you can compare the scents of different flowers. So really almost every flower has a different scent. And that scent can even change with the weather. It can change with the maturity as the plant and the flower blooms and grows. So there's all these smells around flowers. So flowers are these reproductive organs of plants, and they use smell to attract bees. Similarly, fungi uses smell as well to attract different animals to spread their spores. A good example is truffles. So they have this woody smell that allows them to attract, particularly dogs, for truffle hunters, can smell the truffles like a long way away, and probably goes the same for other animals like wolves or foxes would probably eat truffles. So the sense of smell really imprints stuff in our memory. So what you want to do is dedicate a half hour or so and just spend time smelling different things. And it might sound a little crazy, but this is how you actually develop the sense of smell. And people pay all this money for aromatherapy, but there's always aromas in nature you can get naturally. And when you bring your full attention to just smelling something for like 30 seconds, for a minute at a time, and then dropping in your body and just feeling how it makes you feel, it really imprints experiences in your mind, which helps you really develop your sense of smell. And just walking around the forest without even going up to anything, you can smell the soil, you can smell decaying trees, you can smell the waft of flowers in the wind. In the air in a forest, you have trillions of spores of fungi floating around. There's all these different scents we can pick up when we bring our full attention to our sense of smell. So this is a really powerful practice just to learn more about the smells around you and really smell things at different times and different phases of their growth, and you can start to develop this richer sense of smell. And there's all these different variations in smell that we can pick up, and the more we kind of just drop into this sense and feel it in our body, the more we can develop this sensory experience and train this sense so that you can pick up on smells faster, sooner than other people, and also more deeply enjoy things, because smell is this very enjoyable thing. Like love is very connected to smell, the way a person smells, like their pheromones. And loving nature, biophilia, really develops when you have this sense of just smell and really enjoying it, savoring it, the exquisite taste of the smell as you inhale it. There's so many powerful scents from flowers, from trees, after the rain, that can really increase your enjoyment and your connection to nature. So I hope you learned something in this video, and if you want to share below something that you do with smell that really helps you connect with that, with the sort of aromatherapy of nature, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And if you like this video, give it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you'd be so kind. Again, I'm Kyle from Animist Ecology, and may the forest be with you.